Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number in Discord. So first you'd want to go to user settings here, and here on my account, as you can see, under user settings where we're currently on my account, and as you can see, you could see your email, your phone number, username, display name, so you could edit all those. You could edit your user profile. You could also add authenticator apps, security keys, and for me, I have no phone number yet, so I can't delete anything. But if you want to add it to delete it, just you need to click this one. So for you guys, if you have a phone number here, it will display an edit button. So you need to click on that. After you click on that, there will be an option to remove your phone number, and you will need to verify your password before deleting it. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.